Hello everyone and welcome to our Huawei Network Practice Lab course on our channel. In this course we will cover the fundamentals of network configuration and troubleshooting, providing you with the skills and knowledge you need to succeed in this field and pass the Huawei exam. I'm really excited to share this information with you and help you to take your networking skills on the next level. For this course we will use a Huawei Simulation Lab software, eNSP. In episode 2, we will cover the lab on how to configure basic VLAN setup on Huawei switches. So here is our setup, and we have 3 access switches, one switch where is this access switch connect, and we have 6 hosts and 3 VLANs, VLAN 10, 20 and 13, and basically PC1, PC3 is VLAN 10, PC2 and PC5 in VLAN 20, and PC4 and PC6 in VLAN 30. So we would like to have basic VLAN configuration, and we will do it in the next way. So first we will go through switches and create VLANs. Then we will set the link types on link types of the ports connected to PC in the access mode, and also between switches in the trunk mode. And when we finish that, we are going to set up IP addresses in each VLANs and test the ping configuration, so to be sure that on the layer 2 VLAN configuration is working fine. Okay, so basically let's go, we will go switch by switch. So let's start by this one. First, I would like to change the name of the switch, so I will go in system view, so basically in the configuration mode, and I will change the sys name to the switch number 1. Okay, the next step is to configure VLANs. So basically we will add VLAN 10, then VLAN 20, with quit we go back, and on the end VLAN 30. Okay, so if we go back and go display VLAN, we can see here it is our 3 VLANs. Okay, so let's do the same steps on the others. So again, system view, change sys name to the switch number 2, define VLAN 10, VLAN 20, and VLAN 30. Let's check it. Display VLAN. Okay, here it is. Fine. And let's go to this access switch, system view, sys name switch number 3, and again we will add VLAN 10, VLAN 20, and VLAN 30. Display VLAN, and here we can see these three VLANs. Okay, the next step is to go to this main switch, and let's name it, so system view, this name 4, for example, and here also VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30. Go back, display VLAN, and here it is. Okay, so this is we finished the first step. The next one is for these links to define the access mode and trunk mode for this. So we will go first to the access switch. Let's go here, system view, and the next step is to define. Okay, so let's see, we have the number 001 is in the should be in the trunk mode. Okay, let's go interface 001, and to define the trunk mode we do next. So port link type is trunk, and then we say okay, in that trunk which VLANs you need to pass with the command port trunk allow pass, and VLAN we will define all VLANs for this case. Okay, then we go to the next interface. So interface with 002, and here we need to put it in the access mode. So port link type is access, then port default VLAN is 10. With this command we say okay, it's in the access mode in VLAN 10, and we will repeat now for the VLAN 20. Okay, and go port link type access port default VLAN 20. With we can do now the save command, but here save. Yes, okay. Alright, we finished the first switch. Now we need to repeat these steps to do another one. Okay, let's go here, and so we have the system view, and then we go and set up firstly interface gigabyte 001, port link type should be trunk, then port trunk allow pass VLAN all. Then we go to set up the 002. In this case is interface, it's a port link type access port default port default VLAN 10. All right. So basically it's VLAN 10 with, and then we have interface gigabyte 003. We repeat, so port link type access mode, we say okay, it should be port default VLAN should be 30. With we exit in the first step, go save, say yes, and we finished for this switch. Let's go to the last access switch, so system view, and do this absolutely the same steps by these three interface. So type, it's a trunk mode, and here we set up that to allow everything. Then we go to the interface 002, link type should be access mode, and default VLAN should be 20, and we have the last, so interface gigabyte 003, where we set up port link type access port default VLAN 30. Go back, save, yes, and we finished the setup. And the last step is to define here to allow trunk mode. So system view, and here we go to the interface just to check it. I think first three, yeah. So basically gigabyte 001 port type link type trunk port port trunk allow pass all. I missed VLAN all. Okay, quit, and now repeat for other two interfaces. So go to the port, link type trunk, port trunk allow pass VLAN all, and for the last one 003 we enter port link type trunk port trunk allow VLAN all. Go back, save, so always ensure you save your configuration after making any kind of changes to avoid losing them after rebooting. And if we go to display VLAN, you can see here it's tagged and it's up, you see, it's up, the D is down, tagged. So okay, let's go here and see display VLAN. You can see also it's up, and you can see what is tagged and what is untagged. Okay, so everything is ready now, and let's configure now our PCs and test it on the layer 2. So basically we will just do the simple ping. Okay, let's go here and set up, for example, this address number 1, mask would be 24, apply. Let's go here and now repeat. So this is just for testing. You can put whatever you want IP addresses for each VLAN, of course, depends on situation. Okay, here we have for PC3, I think it's 10, yeah, 10, number 2, okay, apply. Okay, let's go here. Fine, it's 4 and these 2. Yeah, and the last one. And finally we can do testing. Go here, check. Let's check first IP it's off. Okay, so here it is. Let's go ping, and we should ping number 2, and you can see the ping is active, so perfectly it's fine. But let's check, for example, can I ping another VLAN? I cannot. Let's check for this address, for example. You can see it's working. And let's check for the VLAN 30. It is working. And finally, for example, to check this switch, we can do it like this. You can see from this others is also working. So that would be that for this video. Thank you for watching this video on our Huawei Network Practice Lab course. We hope you found it informative and valuable. To continue your learning, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.